Hey, sociologists! Congratulations on finishing your midterm. I hope it went well. I feel like you guys knew everything because you're smart and because you've done it all semester. So I can't wait to read them. Looking forward to it. So here we go, moving into global inequality. So we can think about things like wealth and poverty. We can think about things within the United States, but we can also think about things outside of the United States. And certainly, we live in a global world, right? There's not a lot of ways in which we can't access other nations and know what's going on. And that being said, there's sort of a lot of kind of icky stuff going on with immigration and migration and policy and people being exploited. And all of that does relate to us in one way or another. So it's really important to kind of be globally minded as we look at things sociologically. While a lot of what we do pertains to the United States, this week you're going to look at things on a more global level. You're going to look at world systems theory, which is a really famous sociological theory by Wallerstein, who's a really famous sociologist. And you're going to watch a film called Machiapolis. And so the film is, if you go to start here under the module, you'll be able to access the film. It is right here, and Machiapolis means city of factories, and you can click on it and watch it. And I think this is a really powerful film. It kind of looks at women and how they've been affected by globalization and the ways in which Western nations have come into other countries and pretty much exploited the labor. But it also goes into some of their battles, kind of a David and Goliath, fighting the system and in some cases having success. But it's an interesting film, and I hope you enjoy it. And, you'll think about things like poverty, the differences between relative, absolute, and subjective, and what that all looks like, and maybe some ideas that we can think about to do things differently. So have a good week. Again, congratulations on finishing the midterms, and I look forward to seeing what you think of this chapter. All right, take good care, everyone.